You're not very good at that, are you?
Woo!
How many times are you going to die before you get to the end?
I don't even know. Woo! It's a good question. Because I don't know. Man, I started over the whole world and where did I stay?
When are you going to learn how to play that game?
I already know how to play it. See?
Yeah, right.
Woo! Woo!
Is that how you play? You just die every 5 seconds?
No.
What the heck? You want me to show you how to?
No, I know how to.
Yeah, right. Well, oh, yeah, that's how.
No, that's how you blew.
I know.
Woohoo! No. Woo! Woohoo! Ow! Woo! That was a close one, wasn't it? Whoa! Whoa!
Well, it's pretty good. It took you 8 seconds before you died that time. Now you're down to 3 seconds again. Oh, come on.
2.
You're bad.
Oh!
You want me to show you how?
Goodness. Oh! Oh! How much seconds? Oh, goodness. Oh!
I can't watch anymore. You're too bad.
Yeah? Then watch